everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share an outgoing swap that I'm participating in. So the lovely Kim Kelly on Instagram asked me to do a 12 advent calendar, Christmas advent calendar swap. So yeah, there was no like what we can send. Obviously it's just 12 surprises to open leading up to Christmas. So I'm just going to share. There's some bits I need to finish on some of the projects, so I'm just going to share like maybe half of what I'm sending out, and then I'll do a second video sharing the other bits. Yeah, so I'm going to just jump in and grab some bits. Some I have bought and some I've made, so it's kind of a mixture of bought things and crafted kind of things. So this little double-sided pocket, the lovely Alex sent me when we did our Christmas swap, and I really loved it, and I thought it was such a cute little packaging. Be nice to send out to the lovely Kim. So I've just put some goodies in here. So in this side, it's just a beautiful, I don't know if Alex used a die to make this, but it's just a sweet package to send out. So in here I use some of the KS Craft like bow dies. I made some of those up, put some little gems in the middle. Yeah, so I'm sending those out to her. And then this is a crocheted coaster that I crocheted. I thought it was really sweet to send out a coaster. It's a bit big for this pocket, but it kind of just sits perfectly in the back, and then these fit perfectly in now. So that's that side, and then on the opposite side, I've just got some store-bought bits in here. So I've got this beautiful, I may have already showed this in a previous haul, I picked up from Flying Tiger, some lovely ribbons I'm going to send to her. This is a Do Crafts little clear stamp. It's a beautiful little image of a like fireplace, Christmas trees, got little stockings hanging. It's really sweet, so I thought I'd give that. And then the last thing is a Gemini's die, and it says congrats, and I thought that's quite nice because you can use that for, there's lots of occasions that you could use that. So that's what I've put in that side. So that's the first thing. Second thing is some little store-bought gifts that I'm sending out. So first of all, I'm not sure how I'm gonna, whether I'm gonna wrap these all together and that be for one day, or how I'm gonna sort of do it yet. But I picked up this washi tape. Picked up a couple last time I went, and I thought it'd be quite nice to gift her some of those. Kind of like pastels. You get 5 in a pack. So that I'm gonna send those. Next is this cute little notepad, a gingerbread man and pen, because she did mention to me a couple of weeks ago, I think she said, oh, I do like if I was stuck on ideas or something, she likes gingerbread. So that kind of changed the projects that I was gonna previously send, and I thought, oh, I'd do some bits because obviously she likes gingerbread. So I have included as much as I could possibly do for gingerbread. So anyway, I found this cute little notepad that was a gingerbread and a pen. I thought that'd be perfect to send out to her. I think that was from the range. And then these stickers I thought were really cute, got all the different images. Again, they've got some gingerbread men in them, and I think that was from Home Bargains as well. And then obviously you've seen that I've previously hauled these, and I picked up 2, one for Kim, and I thought it'd be quite nice. I don't know if she's ever done like silicone molds and stuff, and used resin or not, but I thought it'd be quite nice to send something out to her so she could have a go at doing some resin. So those are some goodies that I'll be sending out to her. The next thing is was a Christmas ornament. I have gifted it in this little box, so obviously this will be number 4 because I've stuck that on there. The others I haven't put numbers on or anything yet, but I will once I've wrapped them. So in here I made a little bauble for the Christmas tree, or she can hang it wherever. And I did find this cute little gingerbread man from Hobbycraft. They have quite a few different ones in there, and he's really cute. I've put Happy Christmas on there, and then I've put some tinsel, this bow, and then this ribbon. So I thought that was really cute. So that goes in there. So that's number 4. Then got this little pocket. Again, the lovely Alex sent this little package out to me, and I thought it was perfect for sending out some goodies in. So inside I have put if you haven't checked out Alex's channel, I will leave it in the description down below. Please go and check out her channel. She makes some really adorable things on her channel, and I think she does a lot of like blind boxes opening, and I think she's got some advent calendars at the moment, obviously coming up to Christmas. Really cute. And so yeah, so please go and check out her channel. Next I picked up these. I found some Grinch stickers. I thought these were really cute. I think I picked these up in Home Bargains, and you get quite a few in there. I just thought they were really cute images, so that fitted perfectly in the back. Then I have this die, and I absolutely love it. It's great for using on gift tags, cards. It's really easy. It's a nice size, really easy to put together, and I thought I'd give one to so I went and bought another one for Kim, so I've put that in the back there. And then last thing is I gifted up some of these cute little stickers. These are like foam stickers that I picked up, I think, last year from Home Bargains, or it could have been the range. Yeah, really cute, so I've put some in there. So that's the little folder there. So that's that one. Next I found this in Flying Tiger, and it's a cute little calendar for next year, and it's like coffee cups, so it comes with a little stand. I thought that's quite sweet. She could keep it on her desk. Then I had some of these. I'm trying to think what was in these now. These like kind of like a test tube. No, I can't think. I've had these for a while. But yeah, I just filled it up with a load of sequins, loads of different kind of colours. Put one of these like gift bows on the top, some of this around the side, and then a bow on it. I thought it was really cute, a way to kind of do a sweet way of packaging up some sequins. So I'm going to put that in her box. The next thing I created, I had this clear tub, and I have a load of these stick pins. So I'm going to let her know that obviously to be careful when she opens this one, because obviously these are stick pins inside. And they're all different ones. You've got these like clear, like gem ones on top. You've got these gold ones, and then these blue ones. Really sweet. And they're just a nice way to add. You can cut off the sharp bit at the bottom. You can add some beads and then put them on a project. Yeah, or sometimes I use them so my glue. So where I'm using my glue, and I don't want to keep putting the lid back on and off, I just stick one of these in the top, and it stops it from clogging up. So that's another use for them, and you can decorate them and stuff, like I said, with different beads and that. And yeah, I just decorated this little clear tub and put them in there, put some trims, bow, some papers. These papers were from the range, some gems, stickers, and I put some of these little beads, or not beads, I don't know what they are. I think these were from the range, and I've just painted them green to match the paper at the bottom, and I'm just using them as little feet, and they stand up really cute. So yeah, so that'll be sending that out. Next couple of bits is these. I made no, this was gifted to me actually by the lovely Cheryl. I will leave Cheryl's channel in the description. Yeah, she sent me out these gift tags that we did in the swap. I just put number 5, attached that to the gift tag. So I most probably won't write on the back, so then Kim can, or I will glue that on again, but I won't write on the back, and then Kim can always reuse these tags and gift them out. And yeah, so I'm going to attach this obviously to one of the projects. Like I have done here. This, I've made one of those pens, well, not made a pen, but altered those pens I picked up from Amazon. And I've just added some beads from my stash. It's in this nice red colour. Thought it was quite Christmassy. And then on the top I've just added a bit of chain and then put some different charms. I thought that was really sweet. And I had this little box. I don't know where I got this little box from, to be honest. I've had it quite a few years in my stash. So I thought that'd be quite sweet to gift it out. I've just put some paper in the bottom there. Yeah, I thought that'd be really sweet to gift out to her. And this is another little tag from the lovely Cheryl. Again, really cute, and it worked out perfectly because there were gingerbread men as well. So yeah, I know obviously Kim likes gingerbread. The next thing is I crocheted this hat. I didn't put like a pom-pom on the top because I'm not sure if Kim likes that sort of thing, but she could always sew in a pom-pom if she wanted to, but I have left it without one. Yeah, and I just crocheted this ribbed. It's in this beautiful emerald like green, and I thought that'd be really sweet to send out to her. So yeah, so that's something I have made for her. And then the last couple of bits is these. So these are some paper clips that I've kind of altered. Again, put some gingerbread men on it. I think these are stickers. I've used some little odd bits of papers there, just little bits that I had kind of in my stash, little bits of paper, done them into little banners and things, put some gems. Yeah, I thought they'd be really sweet little paper clips to send out to her. So I've got those. And then the last thing is I made this box. I thought it'd be quite sweet to just make something to send out some gifts in. It's really cute, and you can fit quite a bit in now. So inside, I don't know if you wanted to see the inside, that's what it looks like. Yeah, really cute. Put this, I think this is like a sticker like you stick on your window kind of sticker. I've just stuck it on the front there, and then some think these snowflakes are lovely. Lisa put them when we did our swap on the envelopes of her, when she sent me her swap, and I've just reused those and put them either side there. So that's the box, and then inside I've put some of these Cadbury's minis. Kids really like these, so I have bought some for myself as well for the children over Christmas. I thought that'd be quite nice to send out. Then also put some of these little wooden pieces. You've got some like rainbows, clouds. What is that one? Not sure what that one is. Dragon, fairies. I think this is like a unicorn horn. Unicorns. And I think that's a horse. Or is that a unicorn? Yeah, no, that is a unicorn. I couldn't see it. It's very tiny. And I think they say magic. Yeah, I just thought they're really sweet and great to sort of, you can colour those and add them to different projects. Next, I had this in my stash. It's a little sweet hair scrunchie, and it's Christmassy themed, so I thought it was quite nice to send that out to her. And then the next couple of bits is this paper pad. I'm not sure if I did show this in a haul. I picked up from the range. Cute little blues and silvers papers. Cute little pad. And then the last thing is this alphabet, and it's Christmassy because they've all got like Christmas hats on them. Reindeer ears, you've got snowflakes, presents, holly. Really cute alphabet. I thought it would be quite nice to send out as well. And that's all I've got to share in this video. Like I said, I will be back to share a part 2. I hope she likes what I've made for her. It's been so much fun putting it all together. I love sending out things at Christmas time. It's just like one of my favourite things to do. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button as well. And as always, guys, have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.